We are.
Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, Chandrakant, thank you so much for joining the show today. शो का नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी और इस शो में आपका बेहद दिल से स्वागत है. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting me on the show and allowing me to speak on the something which is very required topic for the society.
जी जी, बेहद शुक्रिया. चलिए चंद्रकांत जी, शो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. पहला प्रश्न आपकी तरफ ये है. केबीसी नहीं है. पहला प्रश्न आपके पास है कि अभी जी अभी करंट सिचुएशन क्या हो रहा है. अभी आप अगर डिपार्टमेंट वाइज देखें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अभी का स्थिति क्या है चंद्रकांत जी, अगर आप हमारे दर्शकों को बताएं. Over to you, sir.
So about the current situation in the market, considering to the unlocking the different states from government bodies. So idea is that most of the states have been unlocked now, and we are into the majorly NCRs and metro cities where everyone is allowed to work with the capacity of 50% and 30%. So at different states. So the situation is that around 33 crore people got vaccinated in India and around 6 crore people fully vaccinated in India. And the situation is going better day by day and unlocking entire things. So things are getting better day by day. People are more interested to rejoin the office. People are curiously waiting for the situation to get better. क्योंकि हमने धीरे धीरे unlock किया अपने आप को by the end of December and January. फिर suddenly we got back into the COVID locking situation. So the situation is that people are curiously working to go back to office.
Superb. Yes, it is important. तो चंद्रकांत जी, आपकी क्या राय है कि कितना जरूरी है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी पहला, और क्या प्रोसीजर्स आपके जो आपका डिपार्टमेंट है उसमें लिया जाए. जो आप चाहे उसके इतने सारे प्लान्स लगाते हैं, तो सिमिलर जो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट है, रेस्टोरेंट चेन, हॉस्पिटैलिटी चेन, उसमें क्या पॉलिसीज और प्रोसीजर्स आप यूज करते हैं ताकि सभी एम्प्लॉयज और सभी कर्मचारी सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी कर सके. ओवर टू यू चंद्रकांत जी.
So the idea is that people are usually whenever coming to office that we use highly safe environment for the people to give them an opportunity to work in a safe workplace. For this, we have extensively we are in the food chain. We have extended COVID safety measurements for since we deliver to the food to the customers. It is our basic requirement to get the safety measurement at place. So considering to the routine hygienic cleanliness and the routine sanitization of it in the office and all the premises, having more extended all the housekeeping services and facilities for the people are required to take people back to office. Not only something like that, HODS has said that just come to office, then people would not be mentally able to come to office because people are worried. लोगों ने ना जैसे तैसे इस कोविड लॉकडाउन को धीरे धीरे से सिचुएशन को सॉल्व किया. नाउ दे अगेन फीलिंग द सिचुएशन वर्स्ट. So the idea is that what we are measuring that we have mandatory to only the people who got vaccinated only allowed to come to office. Number two is that people should have that Arogya Setu updated app. They have the status of their situation, and as well as that we have that all the we have all the measurement kits like blood pressure or the first aid kits we have in the office. We have blood pressure kit monitoring machine. We have SpO2 monitoring machine. We have so likewise we have made so many infrastructure build up for providing a safe workplace to our people. Not only this current situation, in the past we have done so many things for our people. Likewise that we have created a COVID support committee in our organization. Then ये जो दोबारा से लॉकडाउन हुआ उसके बाद में, तो लॉकडाउन फर्स्ट में क्या था दैट सिचुएशन वाज नॉट वर्स्ट, सिचुएशन वाज बैड because people was taking quarantine, people was measure getting better into the home quarantine things. तो अभी इसमें लॉकडाउन 2 में क्या हुआ, people have started taking medicine and going back to the market and all. लेकिन सिचुएशन ना वर्स्ट तब हुई जब द कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड इज देयर. We formed a committee which is called as COVID support, and I was actively participating to that program. We have infrastructurally built up around. We have procured around 10 cylinders of 50 kg oxygen. So we have huge amount of oxygen stock with us. We had many oxygen concentrator with us. We had many doctors tie up. We have e-consultation. We have given e-consultation application to our employees for talking to doctor at free of cost. So there is not only doctor consultation as well as psychiatrist consultation is also available there. So so that people can easily resolve their situation. People can easily ask for the help, क्योंकि ये situation ऐसी थी ना यहाँ पे कोई help करने के लिए भी तैयार नहीं था, क्योंकि लोगों के there was so many people was suffering from it, not only an employee or anyone. मैं समझता हूँ मेरे ऑफिस में भी around 30-40 people got COVID positive, right? So इस situation को देखते हुए we managed that very much better, and we gained confidence from all the employees that organization is with us. They are doing better. मुझे मैं एक incident share करता हूँ आपके साथ. The incident took place when an employee called me for the help for because his father was on the oxygen level at around 73 or 75. He required oxygen immediately at home, which is in Meerut. तो हमारे पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी दैट वी कैन नॉट वेट, एंड उसके पास केवल 2 घंटे का स्टॉक था. उसके पास दो ही चॉइस थी, या तो वो अपने फादर को दिल्ली लेके आए या फिर वहां पे मेरठ में हम ऑक्सीजन का अवेलेबिलिटी करा दें. The entire COVID support committee was extremely coordinating each other, and the moment I put the message that we have two options, either we send the oxygen cylinder or we ask him to take his father back to NCR for the treatment. Within a minute, I got a message on that group that we have scheduled to send the oxygen delivery, and this will be delivered in another 1.5 hours. It was extremely good. People are very people were feeling very safe and secure working in Chayos, where we were not only supporting employees, we were supporting employees family as well, employees friends as well. So जिसको भी जो जरूरत पड़ी, we have tried our best to make them feel that they are in safe hands, right? So gaining from that basic fundamental situation to coming back to now when where we are unlocking so many things, people have more confident working with Chayos. All the people have given extra care about. We have not even deducted any COVID leave from any person. We have paid all the 100% leaves to employees. We have given them a better. We have done the vaccination drive as well, and as so many things we have done for taking care of the people. And now the situation is that when we ask people to come back to office now, people are eagerly waiting for the notification from HR department that when we can go back to office. We have 100% vaccinated people in the organization. So the policy is about that people are only allowed when they got vaccination, and they can only join us when they, even if they have not done vaccination, they have to submit a declaration that I will be able to take the vaccination by that time. Right. So having vaccination at place, having well sanitization at place, and having all the social distancing measurements, all the required government guidelines has to be taken care into it. So these are the external factors which can be controlled as per by designing into the policy, and there are many internal factors as well.
जी
अभी ना different job roles के accordingly we have split it into the part that people can voluntarily take decision that whether I do need to come to office or I can work from home only. क्योंकि 20% of the majority of the people are head office people, बाकी 80% of the people are working in the retail industry only. तो रिटेल इंडस्ट्री में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता दैट दे वर्क फ्रॉम होम एंड they earn because they are the more of the blue collar job. वर्क फ्रॉम होम केवल वहीं तक ही अच्छा है जहाँ पे हमारे व्हाइट कॉलर जॉब्स हैं. लाइक मैं एचआर में हूँ, आई कैन नॉट वर्क मोर फ्रॉम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. I have to ultimately reach to the office to talk to people. I really miss the roaming around the desk and talking to people, having fun with them, and there is no celebration talking to each other, uh, sitting at home. It is most of the people. I'm talking to them not very much happy with the situation. People wants to unlock themselves to get back to the normal situation, क्योंकि सिर्फ काम करना ही सब कुछ नहीं है. अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम में एक सिचुएशन, और मैंने एक सर्वे कराया इंटरनली जिसमें मुझे पता चला that people are doing much well, not only in Chaios, in everywhere in the organization. 8-hour shift has become 12-hour shift, 10-hour shift has become 14-hour shift. So people are majorly working. In fact, my example, I am working from home. I am using only one hall where I have my table and desk and my bed and my sofa. Only I do not go anywhere outside. And many people are leading the mental worst situation because of it, because एक एक आपके आपका जो जो नेचुरल बॉडी डिजाइन है उसको यू कैन नॉट सेटल एट वन प्लेस. It has to talk to, you have to talk to people, you have to roam around the city, you have to travel outside the city, you have to travel as a business requirement. There are so many things to be taken care for unlocking the situation for the industries. And my suggestion is that for any of the viewer or any organization is that we should encourage people to come back to office, because there is, मुझे क्या लगता है, there is only one job role which can settle working from home, which is technology. Technology team is the team which can lead all the work from home stuffs. They have better tools to measure. क्योंकि while working from home ना, it is a major thing that how do you measure the outcome. Without measuring the outcome now, you will not be able to take decision that this job role is really survive working from home or it requires to coming back to office.
Absolutely, absolutely true, Chandrakantji. You have answered almost like 3-4 question altogether. I thought not to stop you. आप इतना अच्छा बोल रहे थे. पर अब चलिए उसी में से कुछ क्वेश्चन निकालते हैं. आपने ये कहा कि सबको सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और हम उसे नकार नहीं सकते, क्योंकि घर बैठ के काम करना इंसानों की प्रकृति नहीं है. They always love to go out, get to know people, get to know each other, have that collaboration and then work. तो यही से प्रश्न आता है चंद्रकांत जी, आपको क्या लगता है कि कितने लोग हैं जो वैक्सीनेटेड हैं फिर भी उनके मन में डाउट है कि मैं वापस जाऊं नहीं जाऊं, थर्ड वेव होगा तो क्या, आई एम गेटिंग प्रॉब्ली आई रिजाइन द कंपनी. सो उस सिचुएशन में आप लोग कैसे हैंडल करते हैं एंड कैसे मोटिवेट करते हैं एम्प्लॉय वर्कफोर्स टू कम बैक टू ऑफिस? ओवर टू यू चंद्रकांत जी.
So this is mix of the decision which requires lots of consideration into it. Number one, that the employee has intent to work sitting at office or not. Number one, if the job, so there are two types of job role. Number one is that which can be managed working from home and which cannot be managed working from home. राइट. जो वर्किंग फ्रॉम वाली सिचुएशन में अभी भी नहीं है, दे पीपल आर एग्जैक्टली कमिंग टू ऑफिस, चाहे वो अल्टरनेट डेज में आ रहे हो, चाहे वो 50% कैपेसिटी से काम कर रहे हो. But the people who really require sitting at office has to come to office, and the people who are working from home but requires, as per job role, there is requirement to come to office. We have to talk to them, we have to counsel them. What I have done is that I have a pool of doctors, I have pool of FAQs where people can talk to doctor and can suggest, can take the suggestion where I can, whether I can go to work or cannot go to work. तो एक मैंने बेसिक कॉमन सी एक अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, विच इज दैट थर्ड वेव इज नॉट एक्चुअली पॉसिबल. कोविड third wave is actually not possible because most of the people are vaccinated in corporates, and every corporate is considerably focusing on vaccination, 100% vaccination. Considering to the retail business and food industry, in Chaios, we have the first primary interaction with the customer who is serving, who is coming to us for eating, right? So ऐसा नहीं हो सकता that I can compromise with the quality standards and safety measures, and I ask non-vaccinated people to come to the retail cafe.
चलिए, ग्रेट चंद्रकांत जी. आई थिंक यू मेंशन वेरी करेक्ट, बट मेरे दिमाग में एक और महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है, विच इज आप किस तरीके से टूल्स या टेक्नोलॉजीज या टेक्नोलॉजिकल टूल्स की मदद से आप टच पॉइंट्स को डिसेबल करते हो, टच पॉइंट्स को मिनिमाइज करते हो अपने फूड चेन इंडस्ट्री में या फिर अपने वर्क प्लेस पे? ओवर टू यू चंद्रकांत जी.
what we can do is that we have disabled all the biometric finger punch right now in the organization. We are managing only manual attendance right now. We don't have any system where employee has to punch the finger and come back to office. It is not mandatory basically right now. So we have removed that touch point. सबसे पहले biometric machine का, then coming back to doors जहाँ पे doors को बार बार touch करना होता है, we kept them opened. We have put the air curtains into the doors where the temperature can be maintained, and we have maintained that washroom steps removed from touching that by the sensor-based taps in the washrooms, and we have kept multiple sanitization or untouched machines at office premises, which is we have designed untouched uh, sanitization machines where we can just put our hand and get the sanitization done. So these are the touch point we have disabled, and we are considerably keeping them continue with us so that people feel that I will be touching less minimum required touch points only. And for like conference rooms, we have disabled all the conference room. There are only two conference rooms are open, which are huge in size, where people can. The actual capacity of that room likewise is 20, where we are allowing only 5 to 6 people in the room. So we have kept those safety standards.
सुपर्ब चंद्रकांत जी, शुक्रिया आपका बताने के लिए कि आपने कॉन्टैक्टलेस कैसे किया है अपने पूरे वर्क कर्म स्थल को, विच इज अ वर्क प्लेस। वंडरफुल। अब चलिए लास्ट प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते। प्रश्न नहीं है पर दिल से वाला सवाल है। चंद्रकांत जी, आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, कोई मोटिवेशनल या प्रोत्साहन भरा मैसेज जो हमारे वर्क प्लेस और एम्प्लॉइज को ऊर्जापूर्ण भर दे, ऊर्जा से भर दे, where they should come back to office, सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी उनकी हो पाए? तो ऐसा कोई मैसेज। ओवर टू यू चंद्रकांत जी।
बिल्कुल एक मैसेज है, बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज है, मैसेज बेस्ड ऑन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस दैट working from home cannot give you friends, working from home cannot give you the experience of connecting, sitting at one place. So my advice everyone is, it is important to unlock ourselves, go back to normal life, get yourself immunized with the better vaccination, with the vaccination and better social distancing measurements. And yeah, you should talk to your colleagues to have fun with them. Unlock yourself first, then you can unlock your entire society. But it is important to keep in mind all the safety measurements so that you do not carry any infection or virus along with you at your home for friends and family.
वंडरफुल, थैंक यू। आपका ये लास्ट वर्ड काफी महत्वपूर्ण था बताने के लिए। वेयर आप अपने आप को सुरक्षित रखें, जरूर ऑफिस जाएं पर अपने सेफ्टी मेजर्स को लेके जाएं, सैनिटाइज करें, मास्क जरूर लगाएं, और जो भी आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपको प्रोटोकॉल सेट करते हैं उसे जरूर पालन करें। थैंक यू सो मच चंद्रकांत जी, आपका शो पे आने के लिए बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया, आपका टाइम देने के लिए। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय बाय, टेक केयर सर।